In this video, we will show you how to replace your blower motor on this Dodge Dakota. This will be located under your passenger side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. As you make your way underneath the passenger side dash, you'll be able to find exactly where the blower motor is located. On the blower motor, you'll find that you have a wiring harness. On that wiring harness, there's a little tab that you can gently press in with either your finger or a small screwdriver, and then pull this down and off of the blower motor. Once you have it released, go ahead and check it for corrosion and set it aside. That one looks okay. Now we can continue on to removing our three T20 torque screws that hold the blower motor in place. You'll find one along the passenger side, along the driver's side, and then there's a third one closest to the firewall. Let's remove all three. I'll start with the one closest to the firewall. There's that screw. Now we can remove the other two. Remove your blower motor. There it is, friends. Now we can install our brand new blower motor. We'll put this in place, making sure that we have it in the proper orientation so that the connector is facing diagonally towards the firewall here. Start in all three of your T20 torque screws and then snug them up. Make sure the blower motor is secured. Continue on to your wiring harness. We'll connect this in. Listen for a click. Give it a tug to make sure it's secured. Okay friends, we showed you how to install your blower motor. At this point, go ahead and put the key in the on position and test the blower motor on all speeds. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.